Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple automatic piston door in Minecraft in about 30 seconds. First, dig a hole that is 2 blocks wide, 3 blocks long and 2 blocks deep. On the longer side of that hole, dig out 3 extra spaces, but leave the very bottom block in place. Now, place redstone dust along the bottom of the hole. On the sides, add redstone torches, and then place blocks directly on top of those torches. Fill in the open spaces with solid blocks so it looks even. Next, place 2 sticky pistons facing each other in the middle of the build. These will pull and push the door blocks. Add a redstone block where the signal connects, so the pistons will power correctly. After that, place the blocks you want to use for the door itself, such as glass or any solid block, in front of the pistons. This will be the part that opens and closes. Now, choose how you want to activate it. You can put pressure plates on both sides of the door for hands-free entry, or you can use a lever if you prefer manual control. Step on the pressure plate, and the pistons will pull the blocks back, opening a clean 2-block doorway. Step off, and it will close again. That is all it takes to build a working automatic piston door in Minecraft. Thanks for watching.